Good morning, Steve Reed with the Morning Grain Comment. Markets overnight, beans, corn, and wheat are lower, while soybean oil is gaining on meal. The outside markets, stocks a little bit lower in front of the Fed comments. Dollar's lower, crude's lower. There's more comments about the fast spreading Omicron mutant virus, maybe slowing the economies down and maybe slowing food demand down. There's also talk that IEA lowered 2021 and 2022 global oil demand because of the virus. They also noted a small increase in Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Iraq, and Russia oil production in the month of November. As far as weather is concerned, U.S. Southern Plains remain dry. Our prayers and thoughts are with all those impacted by the Southern Illinois, Kentucky, Arkansas, and Tennessee weather last Friday. Our weather meteorologist says there is a similar weather pattern developing for this coming Friday for the same area. The problem is, historically, we've never had back-to-back tornadoes, severe storms like that. So we'll be watching pretty closely the National Weather Service, and if they come out with any tornado watches later this week for Friday in the same area. We've got Russia and Ukraine dry. They should get some snow before next week's colder than normal temperatures. Yesterday's sell-off in the beans and corn was linked to some rains in Argentina and southern Brazil. And that raised concern that it's really going to be hard after these rains to stress the crop until January. The forecast, especially northeast Argentina and Brazil, is dry, but there are some showers for that area forecasted for next Monday. I think the Southern Plains issue in the United States is very critical for our wheat crop. We also saw grain inspections yesterday for corn, beans, and wheat lower than expected, and that also weighed on the marketplace. And we're seeing some sell-off in the corn and bean market because of higher barge freights. Water levels along the river system in the central U.S. Is very low, and that's causing barge freight to go higher and cash basis levels to farmers going lower. So I think that the main thing we'll be watching for is money flow as the funds liquidate out of their positions in our markets as we get closer to the holidays and year end. We'll be watching weather developments. We'll be also watching the Fed comments today about tapering and interest rates and anything that's increased tension between U.S. and Russia, U.S. and China. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.